Tired of your Kvcore data feeling trapped? Today, I'll show you how to unleash it by exporting it into a CSV file. First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, navigate to the Smart CRM section. You can find this on the left-hand side menu. Look for the icon that resembles a group of people or a contact list. Inside the Smart CRM, click on All Contacts. This will bring up your complete contact database, ready for export. Before exporting, consider filtering your contacts. To export specific groups, use the filter button near the top of the screen to refine your selection based on tags, status, or other criteria, ensuring you only export the data you need. Once you've filtered, or if you want to export all contacts, locate the Export button. This is usually found near the top right corner of the contacts list, next to or above the Add Contact button. Clicking the Export button will open a drop-down menu with different export options. Select CSV as your desired format. This is the most versatile option for using your data in other programs. Kvcore will now begin generating your CSV file depending on the size of your contact list. This may take a few moments. A progress bar or notification will usually appear to keep you updated. Once the file is ready, your browser will automatically download the CSV file. The file will be named something like contacts or Kvcore_export_CSV. Congratulations! You've successfully exported your Kvcore data. Now you can open the CSV file in programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other data analysis tool to analyze, backup, or manipulate your data as needed. This gives you greater control and flexibility with your valuable contact information.